If you're looking for ways to enhance your independence and mobility, these 25 mobility gadgets are for you. In this video, we'll be going over 25 innovative Amazon gadgets that will not only make your day-to-day easier, but also your life simpler. From walkers and canes to scooters and lifts, we've got the best gadgets that can help seniors move with confidence and ease. And be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Make sure to watch till the end because the last gadget is a must-have. At number 1, we have the foldable rollator walker. For seniors who need a little extra support while walking, this foldable rollator offers stability and comfort. It's a lightweight, four-wheeled walker that includes a seat, brakes, and storage space. Perfect for seniors or anyone with mobility issues, it makes moving around easier and safer. The foldable design makes it convenient to store when not in use, making it an ideal solution for those seeking portability and functionality. Next up is the folding cane with LED light. How many times have you struggled with poor visibility while walking at night? Say goodbye to those safety concerns with this clever solution. The folding cane with LED light is a lightweight, adjustable cane designed to provide stability and illumination when you need it most. It's perfect for anyone with limited mobility, arthritis, or those who need extra support while walking. With just a simple press of a button, the LED light illuminates your path, helping you stay safe in the dark. The cane is foldable for easy storage and transport, making it convenient for both home and travel use. On our number 3 spot, we have the lightweight wheelchair. Indulge in the mobility you deserve with the lightweight wheelchair. This user-friendly wheelchair is designed to provide ease of movement without sacrificing comfort. The lightweight wheelchair is a sturdy, easy-to-maneuver chair perfect for seniors or individuals with limited mobility. Its compact, lightweight frame makes it easy to transport and store, while its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use. With a durable build and desk-length armrests, this wheelchair is ideal for daily use, whether you're at home or on the go. It's the perfect choice for anyone who needs reliable support, but values portability and ease of use. Number 4 is the automatic fall detection device. Get peace of mind with the automatic fall detection device. Designed with fall detection technology, this device ensures that help is just a button, press away in case of an emergency. With its automatic alerts, your contacts will be notified instantly if a fall occurs, giving you or your loved ones confidence in knowing help is always within reach. Perfect for seniors who want to feel safe and independent wherever they are, this device offers a simple solution for staying protected in case of a fall. The number 5 gadget on our list is the leg exerciser. Boost your leg strength and circulation with the leg exerciser. This adjustable electric exerciser allows for easy, low-impact workouts right from your chair, making it perfect for seniors looking to stay active without the strain of intense physical activity. Say goodbye to limited mobility and hello to improved health and independence with this essential fitness tool. Next up is the electric chair lift. If standing up from a seated position is becoming a challenge, this electric chair lift can make a world of difference. Designed to assist with rising from chairs, it provides a gentle lift to help individuals stand up with ease. The waterproof, lightweight design ensures it's easy to use and clean, and it's especially helpful for seniors or those with limited mobility. Simply sit back, press a button, and let the chair lift assist you. Number 7 is the raised toilet seat. How many times have you struggled with sitting down or standing up from the toilet due to limited mobility? Say goodbye to discomfort with this helpful solution. The raised toilet seat is designed to provide extra height for easier sitting and standing. It's perfect for seniors, individuals with arthritis, or anyone recovering from surgery. With its adjustable design, this toilet seat easily fits most standard toilets and adds up to 5 inches of height for better accessibility. Its removable feature allows for quick cleaning, making it both practical and hygienic. The raised seat ensures a safer, more comfortable bathroom experience. At number 8, we have the fall protection mat. Stay safe and protected with the fall protection mat, a must-have for anyone worried about falls near the bed. This mat is designed to cushion falls, providing extra safety for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges. Measuring 24 by 70 by 3 inches, The mat is large enough to cover the area around the bed, and its high-density foam construction absorbs impact to reduce injury. Ideal for seniors or anyone at risk of falling out of bed, this mat adds peace of mind, ensuring that accidents don't lead to serious injuries. Moving on to our next gadget, we have the transfer belt for seniors. This transfer belt is designed to assist caregivers in helping seniors move safely and comfortably. With strong handles and an ergonomic design, it makes lifting and supporting individuals easier while minimizing strain. Perfect for caregivers and seniors with mobility challenges, this transfer belt enhances both safety and comfort during transfers, making daily activities smoother and less stressful. The number 10 gadget on our list is the portable lift stair assist. Climbing stairs doesn't have to be a challenge anymore. This portable lift assist provides essential support when getting up from chairs or recliners, offering a safe and easy way to regain mobility. Ideal for seniors who need extra help standing or navigating stairs, this device promotes confidence and independence, ensuring you feel supported every step of the way. At number 11, we have the portable lift assist cushion. For those who struggle with getting up from a chair or couch, the portable lift assist cushion provides an easy and convenient solution. This cushion helps lift a person from a seated position to a standing one with minimal effort. It's perfect for seniors or individuals with mobility issues who need a little extra support. The lightweight portable design makes it easy to use at home or on the go. Next up is the pull-up assist bed ladder. How many times have you struggled to sit up or get out of bed without help? Say goodbye to those struggles with this simple yet effective solution. The pull-up assist bed ladder is a tool designed to make getting in and out of bed easier for those with limited mobility. It's perfect for seniors, individuals recovering from surgery, or anyone who finds it difficult to move independently. With its ergonomic design, this bed ladder provides a sturdy, reliable way to pull yourself up or shift positions while lying in bed. Simply attach the ladder to the bed frame and use the durable, adjustable straps to pull yourself up safely. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and use, and it's built to last for long-term support. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 13 is the car handle assist. Getting in and out of a car can be tough for those with limited mobility, but the car handle assist is here to help. This handy gadget provides leverage for seniors or anyone who struggles with bending or lifting to get in and out of vehicles. It attaches easily to most car doors and offers a firm grip to pull yourself up, reducing strain on your body. Perfect for individuals who want to maintain their independence while traveling. This car handle assist makes entering and exiting your car safe and easy. Next up, the bed positioning pad is an essential tool for seniors who need assistance repositioning in bed. With sturdy handles and a smooth surface, this pad helps caregivers safely move individuals without discomfort. It's a great solution for enhancing comfort during bed transfers and repositioning. Perfect for seniors with limited mobility, this pad makes repositioning much easier, ensuring a more comfortable and secure experience for both seniors and caregivers. The number 15 gadget on our list is the stand assist. Make standing up from a seated position effortless with the stand assist. This adjustable support helps individuals lift themselves with ease, reducing strain and promoting better posture. Say goodbye to the struggle of getting up and hello to enhanced mobility and safety with this must-have device for seniors. At number 16, we have the toilet safety rails. Getting on and off the toilet can be a difficult task for seniors, but the toilet safety rails provide extra support and stability. These adjustable rails are designed to make toilet transfers safer and easier. With their foldable and sturdy design, they're perfect for anyone who needs assistance when using the bathroom. The rails are easy to install and offer a secure, reliable solution for seniors or individuals with limited mobility. Next up is the grab bars for bathtub. How many times have you felt unsafe or unstable while getting in or out of the bathtub? Say goodbye to slips and falls with this reliable solution. The grab bars for bathtub are designed to provide extra stability and support when entering or exiting the tub. These grab bars are perfect for seniors, individuals with arthritis, or anyone who needs extra assistance in the bathroom. The suction cup design allows for easy installation and removal, and the strong, durable construction ensures a secure hold on smooth, non-porous surfaces. Whether you need help standing or balance while bathing, these grab bars provide peace of mind. Plus, their waterproof and removable design makes them easy to clean and reposition as needed. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 gadgets are must-haves. On our number 18 spot, we have the non-slip wooden steps. Make your stairs safer with the non-slip wooden steps. These treads reduce the risk of slipping, making them an essential safety feature for seniors. Made from durable materials, these non-slip wooden steps adhere easily to your stairs and provide extra traction, preventing accidents. Their sleek design blends in well with any decor while offering much-needed safety. Ideal for anyone with mobility challenges or those worried about slippery steps, these non-slip wooden treads offer both peace of mind and style. Number 19 is the handheld shower head. Get more flexibility and independence in the bathroom with the handheld shower head. Featuring a long hose and adjustable settings, this shower head allows seniors to bathe comfortably without needing assistance. It's designed to make bathing easier, offering a more flexible and enjoyable experience. Perfect for seniors who want more control over their bathing routine, this handheld shower head ensures safety and convenience while increasing bathing flexibility. The number 20 gadget on our list is the heavy-duty mobility scooter. Explore the world with confidence using the heavy-duty mobility scooter. Designed for seniors, this powerful scooter offers a smooth, comfortable ride even on rougher terrain. Perfect for those looking to regain independence and mobility. This scooter ensures you can get around with ease, whether it's for errands or leisurely strolls. At number 21, we have the balance board. Improving stability and coordination is key for seniors looking to stay active and independent. The balance board is a great way to enhance these skills in a fun and engaging way. It's designed to improve posture, balance, and strength, making it ideal for anyone looking to maintain their physical health. This anti-slip balance trainer is perfect for seniors, providing a safe way to improve their balance and prevent falls. Next up is the leg lifter strap. How many times have you struggled to lift your leg onto a bed or chair? Say goodbye to those struggles with this simple yet effective solution. The leg lifter strap is designed to help individuals lift their legs with ease, whether recovering from surgery or managing mobility issues. It's perfect for seniors or anyone with limited strength or mobility. With just a simple strap, you can easily maneuver your leg into position without needing extra help. The sturdy design ensures safety and reliability, making it a must-have for those needing a little extra assistance with daily tasks. Number 24 is the rubber threshold ramp. Ease movement over small door thresholds with the rubber threshold ramp. This simple yet effective ramp provides a smooth transition for wheelchairs, walkers, and scooters. Made from recycled rubber, it's durable and weather-resistant. Designed to last through daily use, whether it's for the home, office, or public spaces, this ramp ensures that doorways are accessible to everyone, including those with mobility challenges. Perfect for seniors or individuals using mobility devices, the rubber threshold ramp makes crossing thresholds effortless and safe. Finally, the number 25 gadget on our list is the chair exercises set. Stay fit and active with this easy-to-use resistance band set designed for seniors. Perfect for seated exercises, it helps strengthen muscles and improve flexibility, all from the comfort of your chair. Say goodbye to complicated gym routines and hello to simple, effective workouts that promote overall health and wellness. And there you have it. We hope these 30 mobility gadgets are exactly what you've been looking for to make getting around much easier for all the seniors. And if you want to know more about smart gadgets for seniors worth buying, then click this next video. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.